Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. This image depicts a cheerful cooking scene. A young girl with orange pigtails is wearing a white chef's hat and a pink shirt under a white apron. She is smiling brightly while mixing ingredients in a blue bowl. On the table in front of her, there are several baking essentials neatly arranged. A carton of fresh milk is placed on the left side of the table. A rolling pin lies nearby, ready for rolling dough. A stick of butter in a yellow wrapper is prominently displayed. A blue cookbook is resting on the counter, likely guiding her recipe. 3 white eggs are in an open egg carton, suggesting they might be used in the batter. A bag of flour is set to the right, essential for baking. A jar of sugar, labeled clearly, is next to the flour. Measuring spoons are arranged beside the girl, ensuring precise measurements for her recipe. The kitchen background features cabinets, a stove, and hanging utensils. A pot is boiling on the stove in the background, adding realism to the scene. The countertop is spacious, providing ample room for her baking activity. The girl's confident expression shows her enthusiasm for cooking. Her chef's hat is oversized, adding a playful element to the image. The milk carton has a simple design with fresh milk written on it. The lighting in the kitchen is bright and inviting. The scene conveys the joy of learning and experimenting in the kitchen. Overall, the image highlights a fun, wholesome activity with a focus on creativity and culinary skills. Questions and answers practice. What is the girl wearing on her head?
The girl is wearing a chef's hat.
What color is the girl's apron?
The girl's apron is white.
What is the girl holding in her hand?
The girl is holding a whisk.
Name 2 ingredients visible in the picture.
2 ingredients are flour and sugar.
What book is lying on the table?
The book is a cookbook.
What is the girl doing in the picture?
The girl is mixing ingredients in a bowl.
How many eggs are on the table?
There are 3 eggs on the table.
What kitchen tool is next to the rolling pin?
Measuring spoons are next to the rolling pin.
What is written on the milk container?
Fresh milk is written on the milk container.
What color is the butter box?
The butter box is yellow.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.